Unpacking the phrase, hell's teeth, English idioms explored. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the curious phrase, hell's teeth. This idiom may sound intense, but it's quite intriguing once you get to know it. So, let's unravel the mystery together. Hell's teeth is an old expression used to convey shock or surprise. It's a mild oath that dates back centuries and is thought to originate from the harsh exclamations people would use to avoid blasphemous swear words. It's a bit of a colorful way to say, "Oh my goodness." When someone says, hell's teeth, they're often expressing astonishment or disbelief. It's similar to saying, wow, or I can't believe it. In modern terms, it's not commonly used in everyday language now, but it can still be heard or read in historical novels or movies. Using hell's teeth in a sentence isn't too complicated. For instance, hell's teeth, that game was incredible. Hell's teeth, I forgot my keys. It's all about the context of surprise or mild frustration. While you might not hear hell's teeth every day, it's a fun phrase to know, especially if you're interested in English history or literature. It adds a bit of dramatic flair to the language and is a reminder of the colorful tapestry of English idioms. That wraps up our exploration of hell's teeth. We hope you found this dive into English idioms both enlightening and entertaining. Keep an ear out for these historical phrases. They're a fascinating part of the English language tapestry. Until next time, happy learning!